Alright guys, here's the new stands all put up. There's Tweety stand. Yeah. Nui stand. And my other cage, Tweety, Nui and Oscar. Yep. Yeah. See? Awesome. Bit more space, looks a bit more tidier, eh? Cavi's sister helped me. Well, she did it, because I didn't know how, and she had... Because I didn't give instructions. It was quite awkward. So I gave Cavi's sister a block of chocolate. So thanks. Hey, look good, eh? Looks like, and they still look outside. Awesome job. Yep. Hey, so they're the bird stands. Yep. Quick video.